Respectable audience, this is Chair Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited, a registered entity here in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. To create alliances, to capitalize the opportunities, to access the international market, Global CEO Club core activities. To have large-scale project investments, Global CEO Club is another segment. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. Solar Expo is being organized. Today is the last day of this mega event. Ms. Manur Adil, CEO and founder of Solectra, is with us. I request Ms. Manur, please share with us about Solectra.
Hello everybody, I'm Manur Adil. I represent Solectra by SM Solar. We do solar installations. We provide complete solar solutions for our residential, commercial and industrial clients. We are here at Lahore Expo showcasing our solar products. We have a wide range of Solectra products, including our own Solectra inverters, on-grid inverters, Solectra hybrid inverters, our own solar cables, our own breakers and our own TV boxes. Our main aim is not to compromise on quality. Our main aim is to provide high quality solutions to our clients. Thank you.
To access the world, Global CEO Club invites you people to join hands, to work together, to grow together. Best wishes for you, Ms. Manur, for your success in the whole world.
Thank you.
Have a nice time. Dear audience, this is Chair Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Global CEO Club is playing pivotal role to the business community to unite at one place for the growth of businesses across the globe. We are here at Solar Expo, Lahore, Pakistan. Mr. Sheikh Shiraz Salim, Director of American Flex, American Solar is with us. I request Mr. Shiraz share with the audience of Global CEO Club regarding your brand, please.
जी सर, ये अमेरिकन सोलर हमारा पहला पाकिस्तान का द अमेरिकन सोलर इज़ द फर्स्ट OEM brand in Pakistan, and we have introduced 5 different wattages in this American solar. That is PV modules, 585 watt, 605 watt, then 695 watt and 710 watt. All this technology is N-type bifacial double glass technology. Beside American solar, in the EV sector and a new energy sector, we have introduced on-grid inverters, hybrid inverters with IP66, IP54 range, as well as lithium iron phosphate batteries with 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt and 16 kilowatt range. And beside this, American Solar, our previous industries, American General Air Conditioners, that is already in Special Economic Zone, Faisalabad.
Thank you, Mr. Shiraz. As I mentioned, that the core activities of Global CEO Club is to create alliances, is to create partnerships, is to create JVs among all international business community. Global CEO Club would be happy to offer large-scale project investment if you are looking for, or other business community, and I would like to invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club.
Yeah, sure.
Mega project investment like $5 million, $10 million, $100 million, okay, whether related with public sector or private sector, Global CEO Club would be happy to facilitate for the growth of businesses.
Yes, definitely we will join hands with you. And beside having in the private sector, we have in the public sector we have recently done a CM landmark project, that is free solar panel scheme. We have installed and completed 11,500 households in the Multan region, that is Multan, Khanewal, Vihari and Lodra. And we were the first one amongst the 8 regions of Punjab who have completed this project in the record time.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Best wishes for you,
Yeah.
for your success across the globe.
Okay.
Thank you. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club.
Thank you.
Global CEO Club, a forum for the business community to unite them at one place so that they can be flourished, they can be grown across the globe. We are here at Lahore Expo Center. Solar Expo is being organized. Today is the last day of this expo, this mega event. To unite business community at one place. As you are united here, similarly Global CEO Club is uniting the whole world, the whole business world at one place to flourish the businesses. Mr. Abdullah Ziong, General Manager of Felicity Solar is with us.
Yes.
I'm very grateful to you, Mr. Abdullah. Please share with us your brand, your list of products, please.
Of course. Actually, Felicity Solar is based in Guangzhou. We have founded in 2007, and we have most warranted products in Pakistan, including hybrid inverter, off-grid inverters, and MPPT, solar street light, batteries, lithium batteries, and all products related to solar industry. Even we also have PV panels as well. Okay.
When you started?
From 2007 till now, but we enter Pakistan at 2025.
Okay. Which markets are being covered or targeted by you?
Most in our company, we cover the Middle East countries and not Europe, South America, North America, and Africa. Almost all national world in this world we covered.
Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, Global CEO Club is present in every
Yes.
country of the world.
Almost, yes.
And Global CEO Club is offering you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that the alliances, partnerships, JVs can be made and we can grow together.
Inshallah. Sure.
Inshallah. So thank you, Mr. Abdullah. Have a nice time.
Appreciate
Have a successful life.
Inshallah.
Thank
you
you.
too.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. We are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan, for visiting Solar Expo. Mr. Majid from Go Green Solar Company is with us. I request Mr. Majid respectfully share with us your brand, your vision, your product range, please.
We actually started like a year back in Pakistan. We're based in UAE and we're working in like 17 countries from last 2016. And our mission statement is just like we're looking for to have the best service and best quality we can do. And it's been a good journey here from last 1 year, and the main focus is to have to finding out the main issues we are having from the customers, and we are trying to identify all the problems, and then obviously we can go back and fix it up. Yeah.
When you started, I think you told
Yeah.
2016 you
Yes,
started.
this brand was started back in 2016 in UAE.
UAE.
Yeah.
And which type of markets you are looking for?
We are currently we are looking for like domestic users only, and yes, down the road we are planning to have the industrial setup coming in like next 2-3 years, and in 2030 we are planning to have our own EV car here as well.
EV car.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, perfect. It's a wonderful vision.
Yeah.
Global CEO Club would welcome you and other CEOs of all industries, not only from Pakistan but the world.
Yeah.
Join hands with Global CEO Club to grow worldwide. Global CEO Club would be happy to bring investments, FDIs, not only in Pakistan, as I mentioned, the world over. So again, I request you to join hands with Global CEO Club so that the business opportunities can be created, can be generated, and your business would be flourished across the globe. So thank you so much. Have a nice time and best wishes for your success.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Dear viewers, this is Sher Afzal, the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club. As you are familiar with it, that I started it around 8 years ago. Now Global CEO Club is available in every part of the world. Global CEO Club creates opportunities, it creates alliances, JVs, partnerships all over the world. Today we are here at Expo Center Lahore. The Expo of Solar Industry is being organized here in Pakistan. Today is the last day of this Expo. It's a mega event taking place. Mr. Faizan Ahmed Siddiqui, General Manager of HiCell, is with us. I request Mr. Faizan share with us about HiCell and its range of products, please.
Assalamu alaikum. HiCell is basically a Chinese Canadian company, and we are working in Pakistan since 2012. And we are working in the inverters and storage energy field. Currently, we have the product line of the batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and hybrid inverters. Our product range include batteries from 1 kilowatt, like that is from small residential units, and to the 16 kilowatt hours, which is for commercial and big large houses and for the industries as well. And similarly, we have inverters, hybrid inverters, 4 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt, and so on. And we are also working on the assembly of the lithium-ion batteries in Pakistan to create more employment and to create more economic activity here for the population. And you know, by the grace of God, inshallah, we will finish that facility in December, and in next year we will be giving locally assembled manufactured batteries in Pakistan.
Oh, thank you. Mr. Faizan, as you mentioned that you people are going to assemble or manufacture lithium batteries in Pakistan. Global CEO Club would be happy to create alliance with you people to supply lithium material or investment for this mega project. When you started this HiCell project?
Basically, HiCell we started in 2012 in Pakistan. So from then we are in the trading business and the projects business. We have done multiple industrial projects like Treat, Good Plus, and multiple industrial projects, including the universities. We did also the CSR projects with the United Nations as well. But for this assembly plant, we worked out the plan in the last 3-4 months, and we have completed our planning phase. Now we are in the execution phase, now which we will complete by this year end.
Oh, thank you so much. Best wishes, Mr. Faizan, for you, your company. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. We are here at Lahore Expo Center. Solar Expo is being organized here. Today is the last day of this expo. Mr. Salman Khan from Salman Trader, CEO and founder, is with us. I request Mr. Salman, share with us about your products, about your company.
Thank you so much for having me. I am Salman, owner and the CEO of Salman Traders. I have some other companies as well. We are representing here the Historics, which Historics is a battery manufacturer company, which is globally, like in Kenya and Bangladesh and some other parts of Australia. They are exporting their batteries, and now from this November, we are importing these batteries in Pakistan. We have the different batteries, like from the 2.5 kilowatt to 5 kilowatt, and then the 16 kilowatt. And we also, the expo name is, I'm also the member of the PSA, Pakistan Solar Association, and we manage this exhibition as well. And this exhibition name is like Solar and Storage Pakistan. And as you can see that a lot of crowd here, and we are so much busy from the last 3 days here, and people are very satisfied with our product, and literally we are sold all our product here in this expo. And I was doing battery business since 2012, and from the AGM and the different technologies, now we have lithium-ion battery products, and we also have some other brands as well. But right now in this booth, we are representing here Historis brand, which you can install. Is like with the different inverters, and the prices are very competitive, and we are offering like the 7 years warranty of this product.
Thank you, Mr. Salman. As you said that you are member of PSA,
Yeah.
I want to add something. PSA is part of Global CEO Club, okay? And Mr. Waqas Musa is also
Yeah, our
part
chairman.
of part of Global CEO Club. Vice Chairman of Mr. Afaq is also part of Global CEO Club.
Yeah.
Global CEO Club emphasizes on international business alliances, partnerships, growth, investments. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that the growth can be sought across the globe. Investments can be done across the globe. Again, I invite you people to join hands, to grow together, work together.
Yeah, which I always believe in the collaboration. You can't do anything alone. You always have some the partners, the collaborations. So I always try to collaborate with someone in any kind of businesses, so we can grow mutually, not only. So because always when you have some partners or some teams, you always have some kind of support from anywhere. So we are here with you, and
Thank you.
whichever you kind of support from us, we are here. We can support you in any way.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Salman. Global CEO Club always welcome you to join hands to grow together.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal. As you know, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. It's a private limited company registered and based in Pakistan. The headquarters is based in USA, Washington DC. Today we are here at Solar Expo being organized in Lahore, Pakistan. Miss Rashida Ramzan, CEO of Coffee brand, is with us, and I request her to share with us about your brand, about your product line, please.
My name is Rajda. I am CEO of Coffee Power. We are dealing in hybrid inverters and lithium batteries. We are dealing in IP21, IP65 inverters. I have a wide range of IP21 inverters. Its model is 1.6, 3.5, 4.2, 5 kilowatt, 6.2, 9 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt. Then comes IP66. Its range is 6.6, 10 kilowatt and 14 kilowatt. Lithium batteries range is 25.2 volt, 5 kilowatt and 16 kilowatt hour. We are Islamabad based company. Our company name is registered in Qatar. We are a local Pakistani company.
Okay, thank you. When you started this venture, madam?
We have started this company in December 2025.
225. And what target you are looking for right now? Target markets.
We are going to expand it to installers and dealers in whole Pakistan.
In whole Pakistan.
Yes.
And what about other countries?
We will expand it. That's why we have registered it in Qatar.
Yeah. Global CEO Club offers business community great alliances, great business opportunities worldwide. If you people have large scale projects, Global CEO Club can offer large scale project investment for green energy projects.
Okay.
And whether related with the public sector, whether related with the private sector. So I request you as well as other business community join hands with Global CEO Club and grow your businesses, your vision, your brand all over the world.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Have a nice time, madam.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Global CEO Club, as you know, is here to facilitate the business community to grow worldwide, to have collaborations, to have alliances, to have JVs, to have partnerships all over the world. We are here at Solar Expo being organized in Lahore, Pakistan. Mr. Abdul Sami, the CEO of Infinix Solar, is with us. How are you, sir? Please
I'm
share
fine,
with
sir.
us about Infinix Solar.
Infinix Solar actually is my own product. We work with assembly line in here, battery, lithium battery, and solar inverter. Because every load shedding is too much problem in Pakistan, so we solve this issue.
Okay, when you started it
We start business 2012 in Pakistan.
in Pakistan?
Yeah, yes.
What current markets you are targeting?
Actually, target normal home and residential and industrial.
Okay, only you are targeting Pakistan or other countries also?
Only we target in Pakistan market.
Okay. Global CEO Club can facilitate you people to join hands to grow worldwide, as I mentioned earlier. And for green energy projects, whether related with public sector or private sector, Global CEO Club can arrange investments for mega projects like $5 million, $10 million, or even above. Okay. Global CEO Club would be happy to facilitate you people to grow worldwide. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And best wishes for you.
Thank you,
Thank you. Audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. As you know, we unite the business community at one place. As the public is here, the business community is here at Expo Center Lahore. The Solar Expo is going to end today. Mr. Haris Khan, the COO of Nippon Energy, is with us. I request Mr. Haris share with the audience of Global CEO Club about Nippon Energy.
First of all, thank you very much for coming here and promoting the renewable energy. I love the people who promote renewable energy, and you are promoting internationally. That's the wonderful thing. And so Nippon, it's a Nippon Energy Group. It's a Japanese company, and we always do R&D. And in Pakistan, we brought a Japan vision. So our vision is to bring Japan also here. So in Japan there is a lot of innovation and things happen, which is I am part of it as well. So here today we've changed the dynamic of energy. So right now what we brought in the market, that we are, you have seen the car running on the petrol, you have seen the car running on the battery, on solar, on diesel, but here we are gonna run car with the water. How we gonna run with the water? So I'll explain you there. You have a solar panel on the rooftop, right? You have a water. If you don't have a solar panel, Nippon has a solar panel, Heathrow Junction 735 watt. If you don't have a water at house, we are making a water from air. So we capture the humidity and we store it, we clean it, we drink it. That's better than any of mineral company in Pakistan. I cannot say the name, but it's better than any of the mineral company. So what we do electrolysis process. We have an electrolyzer, which you have in the chamber. It removes the hydrogen in a separate chamber, and hydrogen is separate. That hydrogen we utilize for your burner for a cooking. So you can cook, you don't need a gas, you don't need a cylinder. There is a lot of accident is happening in Pakistan. I have seen so many cylinder blast. So that is the very big challenge in Pakistan. So that is also we covering. Another thing, what we seen is from that hydrogen, same hydrogen you will store it in your cylinder, and you will store it in your bike. Also we have cars that you can store your hydrogen in the car. And then we have a fuel cell. That what fuel cell do is it's convert from chemical energy to electrical energy. I would like to explain you there as well the process, how we do it, so that your audience understand that what's the process, how we make hydrogen and electricity, and how we can run on water, everything. Also not only this, for a farmers we are bringing very big thing. So I have seen farmers are very going poor and poor. Why they are going? Because they cannot bear the energy bills. They cannot, buy the higher expensive petrol. So we brought the solution. So we are making green ammonia using hydrogen. We make it here, and nitrogen God has given us in atmosphere. So from atmosphere we capture the nitrogen and we mix it, and then we make it NH3 green ammonia. We have a green AI technology for farmer where we increase their yield if from 50% more than their current yield, and also we reduce their water. So let's see how we do it. To the pump. The pump take the water and put it here in the electrolysis. This is electrolyzer which is doing an electrolysis process in the catalyst. So what happened? So the hydrogen we get it from here, oxygen we get it from here. So oxygen is separate, hydrogen is separate. So then this hydrogen goes to fuel cell. Fuel cell convert chemical to electrical energy. So that's the complete process. So I would like to say, just please open it. It's a high flammable gas, so you have to be aware a little bit. So this is how we produce, and we're gonna run everything on this. Remove, close it. So this is the process of producing hydrogen. So future is water is the energy carrier. So Allah Pak ne hame har cheez has given us in air, in the land, and everywhere. So we have to just find it. So in water we have also diabetes cure. We are doing R&D for this, that how we can cure the diabetes using hydrogen that will hit your pancreas and produce the insulin. So that's we doing R&D as well. So now I will have one more thing, 1 minute. So it's my special equipment. Give me this pipe. So I want you to this meat put here and turn it on. Turn on this. It's already on. So if you see, so that's electrolysis process started. So this is the process. This is how we gonna produce it. If you see the fan start running, from this chemical energy to electrical energy has been started. So that's the process, that's the future. Let's close it down. So this is the future. I have showed you how we produce hydrogen, how I produce the electricity from this hydrogen. Can you believe on me? Do you believe on me?
Yeah.
That I can deliver. What I said, I will deliver, inshallah. Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Thank you. Mr. Harris, you are doing an excellent job, and I have best wishes for you, and I request you to join Global CEO Club. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club. Global CEO Club would create opportunities for you people.
Thank you very much for first of all coming here and promoting renewable energy, and first of all this hydrogen. So this is our future. Water is the energy carrier, guys. My Pakistani, my people, I will give this solution, inshallah, in the future. How this technician making your UPSs, I will give this technology to all the technicians, to all the Pakistan, that everybody will be making this electrolysis fuel cell in Pakistan. I will give this technology to whole Pakistan first, inshallah. That's my goal.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. Have a nice time.
Thank you very much.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Solar Expo is being organized. Today is the last day of this expo, of this mega event. Mr. Nisar Latif is with us, the CEO of NSDS. NSDS General Trading LLC. It's a UAE based company. I request Mr. Nisar to share with us the vision, the mission of this NSDS. Please.
Thank you very much. NSDS is registered in UAE, and it is a brand for inverters, batteries, BESS, battery energy storage system. We manufacture in China. We have manufacturing facilities in Shenzhen, in Shanghai, and in Ningbo. We manufacture special quality inverters, batteries, and battery energy storage system. What is important with our brand, because we have tested our brand products with very high temperature, keeping in mind the Middle East heat. We have tested our inverters and batteries in desert with the scorching heat, and we have made some changes to suit with those temperature requirements. So now our inverters, batteries, and BESS not only working in UAE and surrounding areas in Middle East, but in Pakistan and other countries also. In Pakistan, we have main distributor, that is Solar Sigma Limited. They are the main distributor of NSDS products, and then they have a channel network for dealers in Pakistan where they distribute NSDS products. So NSDS, when we talk about NSDS, the vision is very simple, which is in the tagline also, that we deliver your peace of mind. So anybody if want to have the bulk orders, OEM orders for inverters, batteries, or BESS or renewable energy products, they can contact us by our website. It is www.nsds.ae.
Thank you, Mr. Nisar. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that the business opportunities can be created, can be generated, and your growth would be shown to the world. Thank you. Have a nice time.
Global CEO Club, thank you very much for visiting our stall, and looking forward to meet you again.
Welcome, sir. Thank you. This is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. As you know, big connections, big businesses. Global CEO Club brings the entire world at one place for the growth, for the expansion of businesses across the globe. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Solar Expo is being organized here. Today is the last day. And Mr. Aqib Parvez, Director of Pro Energy and Distributor of Pipes from China, is with us. I request Mr. Aqib share with the audience of Global CEO Club about pipes, about Pro Energy, please.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me a chance to represent Pipes and Pro Energy in Solar Expo. First of all, I would like to introduce my batteries. Pipes is a basically global manufacturer of lithium-ion battery. We have a solution of 5 kilowatt to 5 megawatt of storage solution, and we are offering 10-year flat replacement warranty, Pan-Pakistan distribution. We have Pan-Pakistan distribution. Yeah.
Mr. Aqib, when you started it?
I have been signed distribution with the Pipes in last year, and still today we are working with them.
Okay. And what about Pro Energy?
And the Pro Energy is being operating in the solar industry from last 10 years, and we have multiple other brands as well. But for the Pipes, I feel that we are introducing an international level of standards in Pakistan, so we have chosen the Pipes for that.
Mr. Aqib, it would be amazing for you that Global CEO Club can arrange mega investments, FDIs, for your projects, for the green energy projects, not only in Pakistan but worldwide. From time to time, Global CEO Club is bringing delegations, investors from the world in Pakistan, and Global CEO Club organized 2 investment summits in Dubai in 2023 and in 2024. One of the investor Global CEO Club brought from US in Pakistan, and we offered mega projects investments.
Really nice.
I invite you people, I invite other business community to join hands with Global CEO Club so that an astounding growth can be reached all over the world. So thank you so much.
Thank you very
Best
much.
wishes
Thank
for
you.
your success
Thank you.
across the globe.
Thank you.
Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private entity registered in Pakistan. Headquarter of Global CEO Club is in USA, Washington DC. To unite the business community at one place so that the businesses can be grown throughout the globe. Mr. Naeem from Premier Energy is with us. The sales department is being head by him. Mr. Naeem, please share with us about Premier Energy.
Assalamu alaikum ji. I am Mohammad Naeem Anwar and I am project head technical in Premier Energy Private Limited, and today's expo is very excellent and people are coming from other cities to attend this expo because you know the policy, government policy has changed and the buyback rate is also very low. So that's why people are shifting on hybrid and storage product as well. So now people are getting opportunity to interact with other people under one roof. So I think it's a very big blessing to all of us. Second thing is that people are coming from other cities because the organizer also arranged free of cost conveyance. So that's why people are coming to attend this expo. So as you know better, because people are try to get rid of electricity, so that's why they are here to get the prices, they are here to get the knowledge of hybrid product as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Share with us about Premier Energy.
Premier Energy is a sister concern of Premier Houseware. Premier Energy has been established in 2013 and he is working under the umbrella of Premium Home, and we have been working in commercial, domestic and industrial sector, and we have completed a lot of mega projects and still we are doing. And Premier is a very leading company in Pakistan. And so if somebody wants to execute a big project, include residential, commercial, agriculture sector, then we are here.
Global CEO Club is offering international business alliances, large-scale project investment, collaborations, partnerships, JVs. I invite you people, join hands with Global CEO Club, join Global CEO Club, so that as you are here to grow your businesses, Global CEO Club would capitalize the opportunities. Okay, and I invite again to join hands with Global CEO Club. Have a nice time and wonderful evening.
Welcome. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. Global CEO Club main focus, main emphasis to create alliances, to create collaborations, to create partnerships, to create opportunities across the globe. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. Solar Expo is being organized. It's last day of this expo. Mr. Hassan is with us from SES and Narada. Thank you, Mr. Hassan. You are representing the sales team. Thank you with us. Thank you being with us. And I request Mr. Hassan,
yes, sir.
Share with us about your brand, about your range of product.
First of all, thank you for having me. We are working in Pakistan solar industry since 2007. Okay. We started in 1978 with magnet communication. We used to manufacture radios. Then in 1990s we went to electronics, and in 2007 we decided that we are going to do well in solar industry. First we started working with Narada. It's a global Chinese brand. We are official distributors of Narada. Then in 2018 and 19 we launched our own brand, SES Power. We are in collaboration and we are in partnership with Narada. we import all these products from China, but we design our product here. We design our sales, our engineering team design product according to Pakistan's weather and climate. Then we goes to China. We tell them our recommendations, and they produce, and then we import all the products from China.
Wonderful, sir. Amazing job is being done by you for the growth of the community. Okay. As I shared with you that Global CEO Club would be happy to create alliances, to arrange investments for mega projects across the globe. If you have or from your circle, Global CEO Club can arrange mega projects investment, FDIs. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club and grow across the globe. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful time.
We are really looking forward to working.
The Chair of the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. As you know, it's a registered entity in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. I started this journey around 8 years ago, now started across the globe. Mr. Zafar Iqbal, one of the partners of Solar Max is with us. Mr. Zafar, I am very grateful to you that you spared some time to share your views, your vision with the audience of Global CEO Club. Please share with us about Solar Max. Please.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you very much. You visited our booth. Actually, we are working since 2007 in renewable energy industry. So it's my pleasure to introduce our few of our products. Behind our discussions, there is a Solar Max inverters, all variety available from 1.5 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt in hybrid, and we have lithium-ion series from 1.5, 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 16 kilowatt, and so on. So we have variety of range for solar energy products, and we have a distribution network all over Pakistan, and we also have a 30 plus services center in different cities of Pakistan, where all the dealers can sell our products to the different end users, and end users can avail services locally at their hometown.
Okay, thank you. When you started this venture, sir?
We are working since 2007, and in renewable energy, you know, the particularly business started in 2010 and 11 when the market started booming for solar, for inverters, for batteries. So in the beginning, we have to tell to customers what we are doing in solar, what solar is doing in the society, how can you get benefited from the solar panels and inverters. So when the technology get advanced and everything is going to be shifted in newer and newer technology, so inverter goes from the PWM to MPPT and then double and triple MPPT. So this is all the journey of all these products. So this is what we are doing since many years. Inverters have a variety of technologies we have. We have, as I told you earlier, different from the residential point of view, we have systems. We have commercial point of view system. So all the categories we are covering in Pakistani regions.
Okay. It means you are right now in Pakistan only. What about your international?
Not only in Pakistan, we also have an office in Middle East in Dubai. We also have an office in Iraq, and now our factory is under construction in China as well. So we have places at different countries. So and we are also working in different countries in Africa. So we have some different steps, milestones in different cities and different countries.
Okay, thank you. As you are united here at Expo Center Lahore, Global CEO Club is uniting the business community at one forum, international business community, to have amazing growth across the globe. International business funding, international investments, Global CEO Club is available to facilitate the business community. I would like to invite two people join hands with Global CEO Club.
Okay, thank you very much for introducing yourself, and after the exhibition we will work on it, we will search and think on it, and if there is any potential and we think by mutually agreement we can do for the society, for the renewable energy sector, so definitely I will love to work with you and will love to part of your association as well.
Wonderful. whether you are, if you have any project like $5 million, $10 million, $100 million, Global CEO Club would be happy to facilitate you to arrange investments for this mega project.
Thank you very much for your
Global
offer.
CEO Club can bring not only in Pakistan but the worldwide new technologies, dynamic technologies related with solar industry.
Sir, wonderful to know about your company, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time, sir.
Take care, sir.
Thank you. This is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Again, we are visiting Lahore Expo Center to promote, to grow businesses across the globe. Mr. Rizwan Asgar, the zonal, the zonal sales manager of TriEx, is with us. Mr. Rizwan, I request you to share with us briefly about TriEx, what are the product range and when you started it, please.
Basically, TriEx is a renowned brand of Pakistan. It's established in 2018 and working with in solar panels, hybrid inverters, lithium batteries. We have IP65 batteries and IP20 batteries, and IP21 inverters and IP65 inverters. We have a range of 1.5 kilowatt, 4.2 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt and 11 kilowatt in IP21 inverters, and we have 6 kilowatt IP66, 8 kilowatt IP66 and 12 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt and 15 kilowatt IP66 inverters. We have lithium batteries, IP21 and IP66 65 batteries.
Thank you, Mr. Rizwan. As I mentioned earlier, that Global CEO Club is available to create alliance, to create opportunities for the business community worldwide. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that you can be grown across the globe. Global CEO Club is available to arrange investments for green energy projects, for climate change projects, okay, whether related with the government, whether related with the private sector. But the size of the project should be minimum $5 million or above. Okay, when you have $100 million project, Global CEO Club would be happy to support you to arrange investment internationally. Okay, FDI is the core element of Global CEO Club. Join hands with Global CEO Club and grow.
We will
definitely
across the globe. We will definitely join hands with the global network, and we will promote your opportunities, and we will put in efforts to join your this group.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time. Best wishes for you, for your success. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. It's a registered entity, registered enterprise in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. I started this journey, as you know, around 8 years ago. Now Global CEO Club has its wonderful and strong existence across the globe. Mr. Nisar A. Latif, CEO of Solar Sigma Limited, is with us. I request Mr. Nisar, please share with us your brief and detailed introduction of Solar Sigma Limited.
Hi everyone, my name is Nisar Latif. I am CEO of Solar Sigma Limited. Solar Sigma Limited is 12 years old Pakistani based company, especially in solar and related products. We have tested all the technologies in inverters and batteries. Ultimately, we have decided that NSDS is the best product for Solar Sigma. Solar Sigma Limited is the pioneer company in Pakistan in net metering. We are the one who have installed the first net metering system in Pakistan, and with the collaboration of REAP, PSA AEDB, NEPRA, we helped to develop the processes and procedures. Now you can see that 50 gigawatt of solar has been installed in Pakistan, and we have good contribution in this. Solar Sigma always believes in the quality products, especially the A plus grade quality products. Our products are tested with very high temperatures, so that especially the hybrid inverters, the failure point is because of the heat. So our products are tested in scorching heat of desert. That means in case of 50 plus degrees Celsius ambient temperature, our products, batteries and inverters which are IP66, they are working fine. And the best part is that our batteries are compatible with all renowned brands of inverters, as well as the inverters are compatible with all the renowned brands of batteries.
Thank you, Mr. Nissar. As I mentioned, Global CEO Club is willingly happy to announce that investments can be arranged through Global CEO Club for green energy projects. If you have mega projects like $5 million, $10 million or even more, if you have even $100 million project in either country of the world, Global CEO Club can facilitate you people to have arrangement for the investments. FDIs is a core activity of Global CEO Club. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that you people can be flourished, can be grown across the globe. Business opportunities can be generated to support you people across the world. So thank you, Mr. Nissar, and I'm very grateful to you. Have a wonderful evening. Dear viewers, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. It's registered in Pakistan. The headquarters of the club is based in USA, Washington, DC, through my partners. I started this journey around 8 years ago. Now Global CEO Club is available in every part of the world. The core activities of Global CEO Club is to create alliances, is to make arrangements for the investments, for the mega projects of any industry, anywhere in the world. Today we are here at Solar Expo, Lahore, Pakistan. Mr. Zishan Ali Malik, the director of True Solar, is with us. I request Mr. Zishan, share with us your vision, your product range.
My name is Zishan Malik. I am the CEO of True Solar Private Limited. We've been in the solar business for last 1 decade. I will briefly tell a little bit about my company. True Solar is an international brand. We have operations in Australia and in Pakistan. We started True Solar. I'm a common director in Pakistan and in Australia. We started True Solar back in Australia in 2012, and then in 2016 we started operations in Pakistan. We are the leading EPC provider in Pakistan. We do not sell products, we design energy solutions. We have the leading team of engineers approved by Pakistan Engineering Council. If you can have a look at here, we are approved by DHA. We have a no limit license from AEDB, which is a regulatory authority of Government of Pakistan. We are approved by Pakistan Engineering Council. So far we have installed more than 250 megawatt in Pakistan, and we have worked with the leading brands such as God Group, Samsol, Arshad, Borjan, Ideal Textiles, many hospitals, and there is a whole list of our business portfolio. In Pakistan, our mission is to provide and to bring the international innovations. As you can see, the future in Pakistan industry is the battery integrated solar system BESS, and we are right now the market leaders in bringing the latest BESS equipments to Pakistan for the industry. One of our partners, Jason Jason, you know, be the next future in Pakistan. So you talk about he is our partner from China, from Solar East, one of the leading brands and equivalent to Huawei. You can also, you know, talk a little bit about the best, how you're gonna do it in Pakistan.
Right now, our best, the most important item is 261 kilowatt hours, and it can work in parallel, which means you can add 2, make it half megawatt hours, and you can add 32 sets in one parallel. And also we have the solution of the container which up to 5 megawatt hours each. So in Pakistan, we notified that we have manufacturing who make it close, and right now there's some other industry is needed for stabilized electric. So in this case, our BESS can supply, they have more stable power, also reduce the electric bills for them. Our BESS can charge by solar, by generator, also by city grid. And you can set the time when you charge the BESS and when you discharge the BESS. It's very benefits to any kind of clients to install our BESS.
Thank you so much, Jason.
And True Solar, Zishan is my very best friend.
Yeah.
We have good partner.
Yeah, Mr. As you are from China.
Yeah.
United Nations chairperson for Asia Pacific, okay, is part of board member of Global CEO Club. Okay, your consulate general, Chinese consulate general, is also part of Global CEO Club. I invite you people join hands with Global CEO Club so that opportunities can be created, can be generated throughout the world. As if you have $100 million project, as you are telling that you are associated with EPC, okay?
Yep.
And if you have $100 million project, Global CEO Club can create alliance with the foreign investors, and we can do it quickly. So I invite you people to join hands,
definitely.
join our hands with Global CEO Club so that we can give you growth all over the world.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the opportunity and for the time and for the platform.
Thank you.